Hi there. Are we ready for a battle in the body scrub department? I know I am. Well, here we go. Hang on tight. It's going to be a good one. Oh, yes, it's going to be fun. In the first corner, we have our reigning champion. Bella Bear Goddess Sugar Scrub. This has a nice bubblegum and lemonade scent to it. It has a nice soft texture. It scrubs nicely. It doesn't dry your skin. I was very pleased with this item, and it weighs in at 6.7 ounces for $9. It has defeated 2 opponents. Will it defeat a third? Let's find out. In the opposing corner, weighing in at $22 for 5.29 ounces, we have Dew of the Gods Froze. I like the packaging on this, although I will say it does concern me just a little bit that around children it could encourage a child to want to consume it because it does look like a juice pouch. With that being said, I have found that if you roll the product up from the bottom, that helps to make sure you do get all of everything out of here. This has a very nice fruity scent. It has sea salt in it and blueberry and strawberry oils, which were very nice and cleansing and gentle on my skin. She really liked this one. It's going to be a tight battle. The scrub was not drying, and although it was a little more expensive than its worthy opponent, it was a very nice product. So, who's going to win? Comment down below. And today's winner is Dew of the Gods Froze. So do you agree? Did we pick the right winner? Have you tried this product? Comment down below. We are nosy and we want to know. And we thank you for watching our video today. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. You can get in on more of the fun adventures that Fatima the Camel and I get into. Yes, we get into lots of fun adventures, so consider subscribing. And we hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.